I'm going to take a video of my mommy. Let's see what she's doing. Mommy? What are you doing with the cat and the banana?
I was holding the boat, honey.
Oh, look what I did to my face.
What did you do? Sydney!
Does it look bad?
Yes, what happened? Yeah.
I did something bad. I did blood! Blood! Blood!
Yeah, what did you do?
There's blood!
Yeah, what did you do? Sydney, calm down. Sydney.
Is there blood? there a lot of blood?
Yeah, a lot. Look, you want to see?
No, my heart.
Can I rip out the glass?
No! There's glass?
Yeah.
Mommy, there's glass! Glass everywhere?
Yeah, just right
No, be
here.
careful! No, I want to pull it out. I want to pull it
But
out.
what were you doing?
I wanna pull it
You
out.
didn't explain to me what you did.
Me and Jesse from down the street. I like him.
Yeah.
Sometimes we hold hands.
You better not be having sex.
Mommy, I'm fine. Oh, we were walking, and we saw a puppy. We wanted to help him. Please don't be mad at me.
What did you do to the puppy?
Well, we just played with it.
And how did you get glass in your
I'm
forehead?
trying to tell you.
Well, hurry it
We
up.
saw the puppy. And then we were walking down the street and we were holding him. We don't get him. I already told you I played with him.
Okay.
And there was a slug.
Oh,
I didn't
good
want
one.
to step on him. So I walked around him and then there was a hole. And then, are you mad? Why are you laughing?
Because the glass. It looks pretty damn funny to me.
Maybe I should take a video of you laughing at me.
Well, I was expecting to hear an elaborate story coming from your mouth. How you listen? You fell into glass, Sydney. Sydney, you fell into glass. I think that you were. No, I think you were playing outside, and he used your head to break in. He used your head to break into the abandoned house. Is that what he did?
I don't even know what you're talking about. And you just kicked me, and I'm gonna tell. I guess when I see you, you slap me all the time.
I don't slap you all the time.
This is everywhere. Mommy, please, we're gonna go to the hospital.
I don't know. You're not going to hospital. You're gonna let me pull it out, and you're gonna like it, okay?
Okay.
I'm done with the story.
Let me tell you a secret. Okay? Yeah.
Okay, so you want me to pull it off?
Just don't hurt me. Tell me when you're gonna pull it.
Well, calm down.
On number 3.
Okay, 1, 2.